Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix stuttering in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, close Minecraft and open web browser and search for Iris Shaders and go to official site irisshaders.dev. Then this tool is great because it optimizes Minecraft, reducing stuttering, boosting FPS, and even allowing you to add shaders. Click download now and select download universal jar. Once downloaded, open your File Explorer and go to Downloads and double-click the Iris installer. Choose Minecraft version and select Iris. Click Install and it's done in seconds. Next, open Minecraft Launcher. On the left of the play button, select Iris plus Sodium for your installed version and click play. Minecraft will launch and stuttering should now be gone. Once in game, pause and go to options and video settings, and here you can adjust performance settings, and each settings shows its impact on FPS, letting you tweak your game without reducing quality too much. You can also add shaders easily via the shader pack folder. And that's it. Minecraft should now run smoothly with higher FPS, giving you much better gameplay experience. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.